How is true animal hibernation different from torpor? Have you ever wondered how some animals survive the harsh winter months? The answer lies in two fascinating processes, true hibernation and torpor. While they may seem similar, they are quite different in how animals use them to cope with cold and food shortages. Let's break it down. True animal hibernation is a long-term state of significantly reduced metabolic activity. This typically happens during winter when temperatures drop and food becomes scarce. During this time, an animal's body temperature can fall dramatically. Their heart rate and breathing slow down, and their metabolism reaches a minimal level. This state can last 4 weeks or even months, depending on the species and the environment. Animals in true hibernation relying mostly on stored body fat to survive. They remain mostly unconscious, with very little movement or responsiveness. On the other hand, torpor is a shorter-term state of reduced metabolic activity. Animals enter torpor to save energy, often on a daily or nightly basis. In this state, there is a moderate drop in body temperature, heart rate, and metabolic rate. However, it is not as deep or prolonged as true hibernation. Animals in torpor can wake up quickly if they sense danger or if conditions improve. This allows them to respond to threats or forage for food. Torpor is often reversible within a few hours and is commonly used by small mammals and birds to manage energy during cold nights or brief food shortages. Now, let's look at some key differences. The duration of true hibernation lasts 4 extended periods, ranging from weeks to months. In contrast, torpor usually lasts for just hours to a day. The depth of metabolic suppression is much greater in hibernation, while torpor involves a more moderate reduction. Animals in torpor can wake quickly and resume normal activity, whereas true hibernators remain in a deep dormant state for longer. Seasonality also plays a role. Hibernation is typically seasonal, aligning with winter conditions. Torpor can occur daily or irregularly, depending on immediate environmental needs. For instance, bears enter a lighter form of hibernation, often described as torpor because their body temperature drops only slightly. They can wake more easily compared to small rodents like ground squirrels, which exhibit true hibernation with profound drops in temperature and metabolism lasting many weeks. Understanding these differences helps explain how animals adapt to survive harsh conditions. Hibernation and torpor showcase nature's strategies for coping with cold and food scarcity. By modulating their energy use, animals can thrive even in the toughest environments. This knowledge is also important for conservation efforts, as disruptions to habitats can affect animals' ability to enter these states safely.